Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Look what's back, the $5 Michaels grab bags. So last week I got a message from my friend Joanne showing a post showing that these were going to be released September 13th, and of course I forgot and wasn't able to go in, but I had some time today and was lucky enough to find a couple boxes. There was a third box, but it was filled with just scraps of artificial flowers and some July 4th items that I know I personally will not use. So let's see if these boxes were worth it. So I'm going to start off with this really long box. It's a little heavy, so I hope it has some good items in here. On the side it has this label here. Let's see if that's what it's carrying inside, or is it going to be a variety of things. So I'm just going to quickly open this up and pull out the items. Okay guys, what is it? We see some wood panels. Let me just pull it from the side. Here it is guys. A beautiful DIY wooden decor, and it says Land of the Free because of the brave. How beautiful is this? Now the rest are all the same, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be donating it to our Veterans Memorial Center here that's right in Pleasanton. So I think they will love this. This will be a great gift for our veterans, and they can definitely use this for their display. So there is 8 of those in this box, but what a beautiful piece. And I might give it to some of my friends that have veterans that would like, if they would like to have it. But the rest I'm just going to donate to our Veterans Memorial Museum Center here. So that is box number 1. Let's see if box number 2 has something that I might be able to use. So here is box number 2, and as you know, these grab bags are always a gamble. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Let's hope that this one, I just went ahead and took off the tape, and let's hope that this guy has some good items. Alright, let's grab item number 1. Here it is guys. We have this beautiful globe, and would make wonderful decor. They were selling it for $24.99, and this is a part of the back to class that they had. But this is beautiful. I would still use this. My daughter Emma would love this. We love learning about geography, and would make a great decor in her room or by our loft. So I think that's a good one for $24.99. Let's see what else we have here. We have some plates. Always, again, definitely can use when we're entertaining. $4.99. What else do we have here? Now here's a little big box. Beautiful colors with a quote here. And then inside there are some goodies, which is awesome. Look at this jar. So we have a crafting jar. They're made of plastic, $1.99, so not bad. Always needed. Can use that to store items. Let's see what else is here. We have another one of those jars. Let's see what else. And this is a really good box too. I see. Oh, this is awesome. A carousel, a caddy that my daughter Emmy can definitely use to organize her items. Cup carousel for $4.99. Really cool. And there's one more item here. Again, I love it. I'm going to be giving this to my daughter Lil for her sketching. It says Doodles, and it's a spring wire here. Really awesome. So not bad, and these retail for $4.99. So I love that we can use these items, but there are a few more, and then that's the inside of our box. So let me put this aside here. Put our notebook over there. Oh, beautiful. I love this. How pretty is this? I love that it looks like handmade paper mache paper in the background. It says H is for hello. That's really cute. $24.99, and you can definitely reuse the frame and change the artwork. So this was still very much worth it. Let me see. I have another one of those that I'll definitely be giving to my daughter Lil. She is staying in a dorm right now in her freshman year in college. I think this would be great to have in their room. So I'll include that. And there are more of these wooden DIY pieces here that I can definitely paint for next July 4th, or I can paint into something else. Now these retail for $12.99. So we have that one. We have this really fun hat for July 4th. So that would be fun to work on with the kids and decorate for next July 4th. And a really nice summer themed one. And this is awesome. I definitely will keep this and do some painting project, maybe decoupaging with the girls. This retailed for $14.99. Hope you guys enjoyed this Michaels Grab Bags unboxing. I'm pretty happy with what I got. Let me know which one was your favorite item. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.